Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we'll talk about how to screen record on your Android phone. You can record your screen using apps on Google Play Store, but nowadays you can do it with an Android built-in option for that. To do that with the built-in option, just swipe down on the home screen and locate the screen record app. If you don't see the app, just tap on the pencil at the bottom left, locate the app, tap and hold, and just drag it to the top. Now back and locate the screen record app. Tap on that and it will ask you what type of audio you want to record. Audio from your microphone, from device, or from both. Test it. If you don't like it, you can always type in Google Play Store screen record to find all kinds of screen record